Hey my gators, this is the single mom versus the fixer upper. Guys, I have a lot going on. I've been doing a lot and a lot has been getting done. And I wanted to come to you guys real quick because I bought this little collapsible thing. Now, y'all know my dishwasher is not functioning at the moment because the guy said it's best to bracket it up to the bottoms of whatever countertops that you have. So I've been hand washing for my life. Like I've had dishwashers in several homes and never used it for nothing. Now, I don't even think I even used them really for storage. Maybe every now and then I might have threw something in there that I didn't want to take to the garage or something like that, a pot or a crock pot or something that I use for the holidays. Other than that, I really never touched them. They just was brand spanking new with the tag still on them in the last 3 houses that I had. Okay, so I'm sitting here. I bought this collapsible dish rack from let me take a thumbnail, from Menards. I've been watching people do dishes and they be having the tiniest dish racks and they will pile up a million dishes like they just cook for the soldiers for the American Army. So I'm like, let me try this collapsible thing out. I like the fact that it's collapsible. It's air, you know, air can filter to it and through it, and it's not something that can hold mold. This is what I've been using for my spoons and forks and stuff when I wash them. And I've been using this thing for years. If you've been rocking with me, you know I've been using this as a dishwasher. This is a pot lid thing that I got from a store. Oh, what's the name of that store? Was it Roses? No, it wasn't Roses. It was something Conway. I think it was I can't remember the name of the store in New York. But I remember when I first moved there, I was trying to organize things and I didn't want a big, nasty, bulky dish rack. So I've been using this since like 2016 as a dish rack. I clean it, but it is starting to rust and look a hot mess. And we don't want that rust all in our food and all in our things. And do y'all remember, I got these several years ago. I'm really ready to get rid of these too. I've been, ooh, Lord. I've been trying to keep up with these and do my best with these, and they're not bad, but they are very stained, and it's starting to irritate me having to clean them. And sometimes when those bugs and gnats get in here and water's in it, they'll get caught in it. It's just a lot. So what I want to do is get rid of this off of the counter, because this is what it would normally look like, and it's always sitting there like waiting for dishes to be washed, right? Even that is annoying now, because I really want a more functional but clean and just not cluttered space. So this right here, I want to get rid of. Now, the reason why I was thinking to get rid of these, because I just don't have time for the cleaning, and I like these better because all I have to do is throw them in the dryer or just wash them if they need to be washed. But the only thing about those is the fact that they do get that wet smell, so I would have to wash them at least every couple days, or make sure after I wash dishes. Do you do this? And I'm saying to myself, am I gonna do this? Am I gonna wash dishes, pick these up after I've dried the dishes, pick these up, collapse this, and put this somewhere to dry? Am I gonna do all that? Am I gonna want to do that all the time? Every time I wash, take this, move this out the way so that the counter is clean? I don't know. I don't know. So what I'm going to do is try it. With me, I've learned, the wiser that I've gotten in life, that take your time, be patient, and try things. You never know if you're going to like them. You never know if they're going to work for you. And that's what I've been dealing with in this house, because I don't know what God has planned. I don't know what God has planned, and because of that, I'm trying not to make moves off of being irritated or what I'm feeling at the moment or whatever the case may be. So with that being said, it's just like, ugh, okay, I'm going to try this rack. It's going to be time to unwash these. I'm going to try this rack. I can't, since these are almost ready to wash, I'm not going to get rid of the silicone just yet, but I'm going to keep them. I'm going to get me some more of those from IKEA. I've had these from IKEA for years. These things are about 3 years old now, and they have not ripped. like they're coming apart a little bit right here, and I just noticed that since I'm telling y'all that. So I want to go get, and I think they're like $2 a piece. So I'm gonna go to IKEA and get me about 4 of these so I can have them on deck. So when they do get a little wet and that mildewy smell, you know, not really mildew, but you know that wet smell that cloth gets, I'll just take and put them to the side until it's wash day, because I'm not going to just wash them by themselves, and when they all get ready to wash, I'll wash them together. So I'm going to open this, and tonight I'm going to use it for the first time. Yeah, I'm nervous because it's so little and I'm used to big dish racks, and I'm like, are you going to do what you purchased this for, which is after you're done washing, put the dishes away, collapse this bad boy and put it out your way? Are you going to do that? I think for me, I'm loving the, okay, and it just pops like this. If you have one of these, let me know in the comments below. Okay, that just sits there, and that's where I can put my little spoons and stuff. So, and I don't really need it that big. See, these kind of make, I don't know, y'all. Let me see. Oh, I see what I did. Hold on. So that's what we have right now. And I know when the kitchen really gets done, I'll see what I really like and if I even want to be bothered with this. And I do know that I have a one sink that I'm having installed, a black granite installed. And I have to have a bucket because you can't, that's one good thing I can say about the separation, where you can wash dishes in one, clean them in the other. But with the big one, you have to have some type of dish pal or something. So I'm going to wash them, see how this wash goes, and I guess let you guys know how I feel about trying to organize everything in this little space. That's why I feel like even if I did get rid of these, I'll have the mat, and whatever can't fit in here, like the extra cups and pots and stuff, I can lay them on the side on the mat. So I will always keep 2 mats, and then just take everything, hang it to dry. I don't know where I'm gonna hang it at. I don't know. See, that's another thing. Where am I hanging it? I'll probably put it in the, I don't know. I don't like things to be inconvenient. I really don't. So I'm gonna wash these little bit of dishes, put them in here, see what they look like. I'm gonna take these 2 things and put them in my little yard sale little thingy for now. Let me wash the dishes and I'll be back. Okay, dishes are washed, and I actually like the concept. That's why I said I think I'm going to definitely keep these mats, because these mats allow extra space so I can pile other stuff there, and all the plates and other things like spoons and stuff can go in here. I think I like it. So I will more than likely wait to get rid of these and go to IKEA and get me some more of these, and that'll be my dish setup. I just got to figure out what I'm going to do. Maybe throw them on a fan or let them hang from a fan or something like that when they're done, when I'm done washing. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. All right, so that's one of my little dilemmas in my kitchen at this moment. The kitchen is not finished. I have a lot of boxes to go through. We're going to do some decluttering series in here. In my bedroom, in the bathroom. It's a lot of stuff that I want to declutter and I want to share with you guys. So yeah, tell me, do you have a collapsible? What do? Do you dry it? Do you collapse it after you're done? Do you dry your dishes? Like, tell me what you do, because I'm just old school. Depending on how I feel, a lot of times I'll dry my dishes, and sometimes I don't. If it's at late and I'm tired, I'll just leave them and I'll get them in the morning and put them up. So what do you do? What is your dishwashing routine? And I used to do cleaning videos on here. I will probably later, once the house really start coming together even more, start doing more in-depth cleaning, how I do my DIY cleaning products like I used to share before. Just doing more of the homemaking things that I love, making my foods and different baked goods and all that good stuff. Just homemaking, that nostalgic things that just makes me smile, makes me happy to do. So yeah, let me know, what's your routine? Do you have a collapsible? What do you do? Are you a dishwasher person all the way? I wanted something to have on the days that I don't feel like running the dishwasher for a little bit of dishes, like a day like today. Like, that wasn't a lot. You know, dinner is done, everybody's already eaten, so there's no need to run a dishwasher. So yeah. And now we might have some snacks like some ice cream and stuff, so I left this is really hot water, and all it is salsa's in there, and that can go in there and I can just rinse them, clean them, and then rinse them right off. So yeah, that's it. Let me know. in the comments. Talk to me. If you're new to the channel, I appreciate you so much if you join the family by hitting that subscribe button. And if you haven't, please do so, because we're all positivity over here. My mom, who is single, starting all over from an 18-year marriage in a town and a city and a state where I know no one. And I bought a fixer-upper. I'm fixing it up and sharing the journey with you. Just everyday life and what life is like and the dilemmas that I have during a renovation. So if you're interested in that, join the family. And guess what? Talk to me in the comments, because I talk back. And I will see you guys later, gators.